So everyone, today I will show you how to set up free shipping on Shopify. And here's how it's done. Go to Shopify shipping settings. Log into your Shopify admin. Click settings, bottom left. Select shipping and delivery. Create a free shipping rate. Under shipping, click manage for the shipping zone you want to edit. Click add rate. Name the rate free shipping. Set the price to $0. 3. For orders above a certain amount, click Add Conditions, select based on order price. Set a minimum order amount, example $50 for free shipping. For specific products, use shipping profiles to apply free shipping only to certain items. Or save changes and test it. Click Save, go to your store and test checkout to confirm free shipping appears. That is everything you need to know about how to set up free shipping on Shopify. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.